Welcome to the Unison Cost Engineering Overview video. Unison Cost Engineering assists government agencies, government contractors, and commercial organizations in developing defensible, fact-based cost estimates. The Cost Engineering Toolkit provides estimators with a framework, models, and data required for accurate, on-time estimates. The Cost Engineering Suite is used by both commercial and government agencies. On the commercial side, the cost engineering applications are used for basis of estimate, price to win, design to cost target, ghosting the competition, and bid-no-bid analysis. On the government side, Unison Cost Engineering is used for budgeting and planning, investment and acquisition decisions, program management, business case analysis, and research and data analysis. The goal of Unison Cost Engineering is to provide a unified cost format for both commercial and government sectors that includes similar processes, tools, and benchmarks. The Cost Engineering suite of applications is much more than a software package. Our company has been an industry leader for over 45 years in estimating hardware, software, and services projects. Our expertise in costing and analysis supports the seamless integration of best practices into our users' estimating processes. Unison Cost Engineering research is the heart and predictive power of our supervised cost models and data. An integrated suite of applications uniquely represents historical cost benchmarks as calibrated predictive models. Unison Cost Engineering also provides many onboarding and support services such as training, mentoring, template building, and estimating and analysis support. The cost engineering modules cover all stages of the estimation process with an entire suite of applications dedicated to data mining, data analysis, predictive modeling within an integration framework, cost mapping, and cost reporting. Unison Cost Engineering also contains many out-of-the-box integrations such as Tableau, Power BI, Microsoft Office 365, ProPricer, Phoenix Integration, ACIT, At-Risk, and Crystal Ball. Let's review each of the applications in the Unison Cost Engineering suite. True Planning is a predictive modeling system that translates available technical, programmatic, cost, and schedule data into meaningful information about the true cost of delivering products and services. True Planning's predictive modeling system is comprised of cost research content, which is translated into industry-specific models that are hosted in a planning and analysis framework. The predictive models are used to create cost objects, and each cost object is defined by a set of activities, resources, and cost estimating relationships that describe typical industry processes and values. True Planning has a flexible framework that allows multiple cost objects to be used to model different types of products and services. With True Planning, users can estimate cost, labor, and schedule requirements across the entire lifecycle based on a user-defined technical solution. A technical solution is represented by including and defining one or more cost objects. Each cost object contains predictive models, supervised inputs, and metric calculations. In True Planning, there are over 170 supervised predictive cost objects available. Some cost objects estimate deliverables such as hardware, software, or IT. Other cost objects estimate integration, programmatic costs, or full weapon system costs. All cost object types are available on the Cost Objects tab and can be mixed and matched to define the solution at any level of granularity. You can easily build your PBS or WBS structure through an easy drag-and-drop functionality, or you can import one of over 300 existing templates. The Input Sheet tab can be used to define technical, programmatic, and schedule parameters. Every cost object provides a simple estimate input sheet view and a detailed estimate input sheet view. The simple estimate input sheet shows a minimal set of inputs comprised of the major cost drivers. This view is useful early in the project lifecycle when little information is known. The detailed estimate input sheet shows all the inputs that are available for a particular cost object and allows for maximum granularity in describing the object being modeled. To fill in the inputs for each cost object, users can enter data, select from drop-down items, use defaults, launch input calculators, apply calibrated data, and access the online help system. The Attributes tab allows users to add custom inputs and store pertinent information and details about their projects. Attributes also allow users to create custom reports and charts for virtually any parameter. The Results tab displays a multi-dimensional grid of project results. This tab displays interactively based on the project item selected in the product breakdown structure. Calculated results can be viewed for the associated cost or effort. Results can also be examined against input and metric values, as well as mapping information. The Chart tab provides hundreds of ways to view data visually. Users can create required or preferred views and store them for all project estimates. The Metrics tab automatically generates hundreds of critical development, production, and O&S metrics. Examples of hardware-related metrics include unit production cost, first piece cost, nth unit cost, and cost per flight hour. Examples of software-related metrics include hours per line of code, latent software defects per size unit, and operation and support hours per line of code. The Schedule tab displays a detailed report of schedule information based on the project item selected in the product breakdown structure. Schedule data that can be examined includes start and end dates, duration, lag, predecessor, and predecessor type. The schedule report also illustrates the project's schedule using a Gantt chart. The Uncertainty Analysis tab displays the Uncertainty Analysis report by costs, labor requirements, or individual metrics. This report provides a distribution of values in 5% increments of confidence, as well as an S-curve chart. Program managers can use this report to understand the levels of uncertainty in their estimate and prudently budget adequate funding to assure project success. True Findings is a data analysis and management application that assists users in establishing a process and structure for collecting, analyzing, storing, and sharing valuable data. With True Findings, users can import and quality cleanse data from Excel and True Planning, normalize and filter data, analyze descriptive statistics such as mean, median, and mode, analyze scatter plots to find relationships and trends, search for the presence of correlation, perform regression analysis, perform multivariate regression, calculate regression statistics to examine an equation's goodness of fit, and run dependent variable values through a regression equation to make predictions. The analysis discovered in True Findings can be directly linked to the inputs and outputs of a True Planning project, allowing users to create valid and defensible cost estimates. TrueMapper is another application within the Cost Engineering suite that allows users to present their estimates in the format they need for reporting and proposals. TrueMapper provides dynamic mapping between the cost and effort of True Planning to any other estimating breakdown structure, such as a work breakdown structure, cost element structure, or organizational breakdown structure. Creating mapping assignments is as easy as dragging and dropping cost objects from the product breakdown structure onto elements of the estimating breakdown structure. Users can also easily create mappings in an Excel-like grid or in the Excel application itself. TrueMapper provides a great way to transform an estimate in the True Planning framework to the custom reporting needs of the user. TrueBOE allows users to produce basis of estimate reports from existing True Planning projects. With TrueBOE, users can generate Microsoft Word BOE documents and Microsoft Excel fully executable versions of estimates. BOE documents can be folded into proposal bids and integrated with ProPricer. Excel workbooks satisfy requirements for government electronic bid submissions. True Explorer, an interoperable module within the True Planning framework, provides a rapid way of indexing all existing True Planning project files. True Explorer helps provide a starting point for new estimates or for locating projects whose data can be used in True Findings. Projects are found based on keywords in the project name, cost object name, or the contents of notes. True Planning Excel is an Excel-based interface that grants users the ability to work with True Planning projects from the comfortable Microsoft Excel environment. This includes updating input values, adding cost objects, generating reports, viewing metrics, performing calibration, and much more. This concludes our overview of Unison Cost Engineering, a powerful suite of applications dedicated to helping government agencies, government contractors, and commercial organizations deliver expertise, best practices, and research-driven technology to estimate cost, schedule, and uncertainty. To learn more about Unison Cost Engineering, please visit www.unisonglobal.com.